It's all winter out. Welcome to November. Damn it. It dropped all the way down to 40 degrees. Anyway, it's supposed to get up to 72 today, though, so you live a little and you get cold a little. I got the new little fireplacey things. Not a little one of them electric fireplace things. Looks like a little wood burning stove. Got one of them sitting in there under the TV now. It's small though. I got like a desk. And the fireplace thing fits under the desk, believe it or not, just about perfect. So there you go. I'm taking the chill out of the living room. 62 degrees in here when I got up this morning. That's got the oven lit up too. Which brings us to, hey everybody, welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG. We're going to do it this way today. This guy under the hat. Hi. I'm righty. And I'm lefty. And today's episode of Hands On with BLG, we're going to do something that's going to warm us up a little bit. AKA, I'm using the oven. And the vent hood on low. We're making brownies today, folks. Let's take us a peek. Here's what we got. We got a cheating book right now. Old school stuff. We have got flour, sugar. We're going to use a little bit of salt. We have 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil. Half a cup plus 2 teaspoons of cocoa. A little bit of vanilla extract. 4 eggs. We're going to use 4 eggs. 4. Okay, now you know how to make brownies. And thank you for watching this hands-on. Oh, wait. BLG, we have to cook these things too? Yes, Lefty, and we have to mix them and everything. Otherwise, those guys out there might not know how to do it for sure. Oh, sorry, man. Okay, here we go. We are going to take 2 cups. Believe it or not, that's a lot. 2 cups. Here's a cup thing. Big old bowl here. 2 cups of sugar are going to go in this thing. I'm just going to put this around like so. Pour, pour, pour. It takes a long time. Pour the sugar. Pour the sugar, Bradley. Come on, BLG. Say the 1 cup. I got another thing of sugar in the fridge. Ha 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 ha. I'm ahead of the game. I ain't going out in this cold shit today. This ain't going to happen, Chief. Not going to happen today. Booyah! 2 cups of sugar. Okay. We'll take a cup and a half of flour. I got this right, y'all. Cup and a half of flourage. I made 2 loaves of bread yesterday, too. Had me a hot ham and cheese sandwich last night for supper. There's 1 cup. This is half cups at a time. But the sandwich was killer. It was really good. There's the oven. Right on time. Hey, do I got something like right here? Does it look like right here? Right there? Got these going up in here. All right, put that there. We got a cup of oil. I'm going to make a little bowl for it. A bowl. Making a bowl and a bowl. There we go. Oil. Yep. Half a cup plus 2 teaspoons. Now this is all lumpy, bumpy. I think this is what I told you on before, not a grater, a sifter. A grandma-style sifter. I bought it at a garage sale years ago. I'm going to try to sift some of these bumps out here so it mixes smooth. So you go around like this. You spin the little handle. There's a little screen in the bottom of here. You've seen them before. You try to get the wire thing to brush them chunks and stuff through the screen. That looks like that's all that wants. No, it's still going. It's still going, folks. Turn it faster. Turn it faster, BLG. Okay, those chunks don't want to go, but I got a solution. Hang on. I only got like the 1 teaspoon more effect. I got chocolate syrup. We're going to put some chocolate syrup in here. Just about the 2 teaspoons worth of what the cocoa stuff. Something like that. We'll call that a tablespoon and a half. A nice squirt of that. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Just because we can. Okay, we got them in there. We got about 1 teaspoon of salt. More. That's about a teaspoon right there. Put them in here. Yep. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You know how I do my vanilla. There's a little bit there. That's about 1. That's about 2. Okay. And we got our 4 eggs. We're going to go in here. Ooh, I can put my shells in that. There you. You can come in handy. Bloop. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. 4 eggs. And half a shell. All right, rinse off the stuff. I'm going to get into that stupid chicken disease crap. Salmonella. All right. Now what we're going to do is mix this all up. I could have used my stand mixer for this, or my little roundy round electric beater thing, or my crank turnstile beater thing. But this just turns to mush anyway. Just gotta make sure you bust up your yolks. I'm not yoking about this either, folks. No yolks in your brownies. It look weird. Just stir them all up. See, it starts mixing pretty good. It starts mixing pretty easy, pretty quick. Just mix it around, smush it with your spatula thing. It works very well. Smush, fold, and smush, and flip, and fold. And smush. La 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 la. Mm-hmm. 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 La 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 la. Doodar, doodar. That a little bit more powder showed up. What the fuck, man? Okay, that looks pretty good. See, that didn't take long at all. And with my bad hands, it didn't even hurt. You see my hand starts to cramp up when I start trying to stir things. All right, we have it. That is a brownie batter. Brownie batter. Batter, sweet. Now, my best luck of getting brownies out of this damn pan, I always have them with stick, greased, buttered and floured, Pam spray or whatever that, what is that, vegetable oil spray, non-stick spray, yeah. Always stuck. My best luck I've had so far, I got my little casserole pan thing. Little pan thing here. I put parchment paper in it. See? I lined it with parchment paper. Now, we're going to spread this up in here. Nice and easy like. I'm using this bowl because it was already out on the counter this morning. I had candy in it. Oh, that's heavy though. There we go. We'll do it this way then. There's, you know what they say, where there's a will, there's a dead relative. Oh shit. Get in the pan. Get in the pan. I'm not too worried about the paper quite yet, because you can't see it. You can only see the bowl. Just want to get this out of the bowl, into the pan. Here we go. You come off of me. Just like that. Now we'll start smearing this around. I'm trying to keep, no, it's already botched. Trying to keep the majority of it here where it's got parchment paper. See? Like that. That's not too bad. I think I'll be able to get that out of there. Trying to get it worked back into the corners. So I have corners. another thing about lining with parchment paper. You don't always have corners per se. It's like, what the fuck, man? It gets all pissy about things. What do you mean, corners? You didn't say you wanted corners. BLG. Okay, there we go. Now, this little bad boy, y'all, see, is all ready. It's going to hop in the oven. But the thing is, there's no cook time on this, per se. It's an old recipe. And this goes in 350 degrees oven, center rack, until the center part, the middle, east part, is set and the top isn't shiny no more. I'll give you a cook time, but you know the old toothpick or knife trick. You poke it in the middle. If it comes out clean, it's done. I'm going to shoot for just before. I like mine just a touch gooey in the middle. Just a touch, if I can get a little moisture in it. So into the oven we'll go, and I'll give you a cook time, and I will see you back here when these bad boys come out of the oven. Ha ha! Yes! 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 Thank you. Thank you. Look, I'm talking backwards again. See ya in just a little bit. Okay, folks, just came out of the oven. This has been in for 45 minutes. 25 minutes the first time and 20 minutes the second time. 25, 35, yeah, 45 minutes. And do the old knifey pokey test. Pokey, pokey. Here we go. Ready? No. The pokey test. That'll work. There she is. Brownies, brownies. Now the fun part. I'm going to see if I can get this out of here. I don't know if it'll move. Probably don't want to let it move yet. You know what? I'm going to let it cool off. And we'll let it cool off a bit and go from there. See if I can get this biatch come out the pan. And I'll see you back here when these, you hear these, and the fat man and righty, quit pointing at everybody, man. Don't you know that's rude? Stop it. Lefty, stop it. No pointy. You back here when these, and these two over there, get these cooled down a little bit. Cut them up. Alrighty, folks, we're back. Get yourself a gander. These bad boys, they're brownies, man. They're brownies. Look at these bad monsters. Look at these. Delicious goodness. Trust me. I sampled the small one already. That, my friends, warmed up the house a bit. That's going to make the fat man, BLG here, even fatter. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. My gut thanks you. They're all going in here. Notice I'm wearing a shirt today? It's like 64 degrees if you go like back the hallway that way. A little chilly, not bad. I got, like I said, the little fireplace things out there. I got that little song I'm stuck in my head. If you're out in the sea and get bit on the knee, that's amore. Anyways, on that stupid note, I'm Lefty. I'm Righty. And for BLG, well, once again, I'm BLG. Thanks for having fun with me again, folks, and sticking with me. I'll see you back here for the next episode. Hands on, BLG. Bye.